Ewood Roundabout.
Ewood.
Yeah. We were taking the third exit to the right, going towards the town center. Your positioning was very good. Your signaling timing was good.
Yeah.
As you were approaching, your forward planning was good. So you looked early, nobody was coming from the right, and you went.
Yeah.
So far, good. No problem asked, yeah? Now, where was your first exit?
McDonald's.
Okay, so once you pass McDonald's, your car was to the near side, yeah?
Yeah.
Where's your second exit?
Lives there.
Livesey. So your second exit is going up. What you should have done straight away when it's on the bend about there, what you could have done that time?
Indicated.
Mirrors and indicate to the left.
Yeah.
So we done mirrors a signal, and what's the meaning of P? MSPSL. Mirror, signal, position, then speed and look, yeah?
Yeah.
When you check your mirror signal, you position more your car to the left. What you did, you gone past second exit, but you're keeping your car to the near side.
Yeah, I was.
Now, what happened? You actually went quite close. You're really to the end of the third exit.
Yeah.
Then you check your mirrors and signal to the left. Tell me, what message are you telling traffic coming from your left? What are you telling them? Where are you going?
Back round.
What about the traffic coming from the Ellen Sherway? What are you sending them as message? That you're going?
They'll think I'm going in front of
So
them.
they're not gonna go in front of you because they think you're going around.
Yeah.
And the cars coming from the Livesey, they're gonna join. They're gonna take the exit, but they think you're going there.
Yeah.
So if you would have checked your mirrors and signal straight away after the second, and position your car to the left,
Yeah.
would you have caused that much problem for anyone?
No.
No. Did you notice as you were going through, I had to turn around, look, make sure that nobody else joining you?
Yeah.
So it's important that if you take the third exit, as soon as you pass the second, check your mirror, signal, position.
over.
Yeah. If you're taking fourth, then after the third, check your mirrors, but very, very quickly, and then
Right, okay.
position yourself. Okay. So that is very important for you to remember. So please do remember that.